Hi folks, welcome to second video of the series of building real-time app using ASP.NET Core API, Entity Framework and Angular from scratch. So in this session, let's discuss how to set up .NET API solution as well as .NET API project. So to do that, let's use command prompt. So let's switch to command prompt. So here in command prompt, let's create a new directory. First, let's go to C drive, that is by providing cd space C colon backslash. So this goes to our parent, that is C directory. You can choose any working directory wherever you want to create this project. Okay, I am choosing C directory. So inside here, I'm going to create a new folder by making use of command mkdir space, and I want to name this app as my app and click on and press enter here. So my app folder got created successfully. Let's switch to that folder by using change directory, that is cd space my app. Okay, so now we are inside my app folder. So inside this folder, let's check .NET related commands now. Okay, let's execute .NET space hyphen info and press enter. Sorry, it is hyphen hyphen info. Here you can see this will give details of all SDKs installed on your computer. See, whatever the SDKs installed, runtimes installed, everything will be displayed by making use of the command .NET space hyphen hyphen info. Okay, and similarly we have this help command as well by making use of .NET space hyphen h. This will provide you the list of commands for us to use. So we can use here the new command as well as sln command. Here you can see a new command. This will create a new .NET project or file. SLN command, modify Visual Studio Solution files. So these two commands let's use in this session to create a new .NET project and a solution. Okay. Now suppose we want to use this command new. I want to make sure how we can make use of this command. I want more help on this command. Then what we can do is we can just use .NET space new space hyphen h. So this will give help regarding this new command. How we can make use of this new command and what are the list of options will be displayed here by using this command. Now here we can see all the options which we can make use of by using this new command using .NET. So let's create a new solution by making use of command .NET space new space sln and press enter. So here you can see the template solution file was created successfully. So our template got solution file got created successfully. Next, what we want to do, we want to create .NET Web API project, right? So to do that, let's give the command .NET space new space Web API space hyphen o. This is to output, and I want to name that folder as API. Okay, and press enter. So this will create, see here you can see the template ASP.NET Core Web API was created successfully. Okay, determining projects to restore. And here you can see API.csproj C sharp project. API C sharp project got created successfully inside this API folder where we wanted to create it. Here you can see .NET new web API, and I want to create inside this folder, API folder. So this project got created inside this API folder successfully. Now, after I create this project, I want to include this project as part of the solution which I had created before. Correct, right? All the projects which we want to create inside .NET has to be inside this particular solution which we have created. So I want to include this project into this solution. So how we can do that? By making use of the command .NET space sln space add. What is the name of the folder? Name of the folder is API, and press enter. Here you can see now the project API slash api.csproj added to the solution. So whatever the solution we created newly, for that particular solution, we are creating a new web API project, .NET web API project, and we are including this web API project inside that solution. So this is all that means using these commands. Okay, now you can see that inside my app folder, we will be able to see this solution as well as this web API project. This is clearly the basic skeleton of web API, .NET web API project we are creating in this session. So now let's validate whether all of these commands and whatever we have created, the solution as well as the project, are created successfully or not. So from now on, from this session going further, we'll not be using this command prompt anymore, and we'll be directly using Visual Studio Code, which is our code editor, for writing our code for creating this project. Okay, now let's switch to Visual Studio Code and let's open this my app and see whatever got created by using these commands. Okay, let's open Visual Studio Code. Now here click on file, open folder. Now here we have to select what is the name of the folder which we created, my app, right? So inside C, go to my app. Inside this, just open my app folder and select folder. Click on select folder. Now here you can see the project got created successfully, and here you can see the architecture how it got created. Okay, this is the basic structure which we are actually creating in this session, that is .NET web API we are creating by using .NET CLI. So this is the latest version of .NET, that is 6, we are making use in this session. Okay, so these are the commands we have used in order to create a new solution, and we are including a new .NET web API project as part of this solution. So that's it for this video, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.